Hello everyone. Somebody wanted to know how I do my upper lips. I just finished my eyebrows, so I thought I'll quickly show you. I use the same thing which I use for my eyebrows. A lot of you guys have been asking what I use, about the product which I use for my eyebrows, and this is the one. I bought this like 3 years back, 2017, and it costed me about 3,500, and it is in the model SE 810 or something. I'll put it down in the description, but I don't know if it's still available. I think it is worth it if you really want to try this, because a lot of you have been asking about it. So it comes like this. Yeah, like this, with two sides, left and right. You can choose whichever you want, and then when you open it, it is this tiny little epilator where you can focus on your little eyebrows and upper lip. And it also comes with a brush where you can use it to cleanse your face if your skin is not very sensitive, but I just don't use that. And then you can take it out and put that brush. So it comes with two of these things. It also comes with this little brush, which is a bit annoying to open it like this with the brush only at the back of the brush, and then you put the battery inside like this. You close it with this thing, and then you can clean it with this brush. Always clean it, because then it'll be easier to pick your hair. If you want to know how I do my eyebrows, then I'll link it here somewhere. For my upper lip, I do pretty much, it's pretty easy because you don't have to shape and all that. But if you can look, I have long hair on my upper lip because I let it grow during my chums. So what I do is I take a little powder, apply it. The thing is with parlors is they don't remove these hair bridges on your lip line. Okay, so that's pretty annoying. So what I do is when I come back home, I just remove those hair, because sometimes when you apply lipstick it gets a bit annoying. So that is when I go to the parlor, but otherwise now I'm just using this. There are many other epilators also for face which has come recently, so maybe you want to try that also. So always put your tongue here like this, and then you see how clear it's become, clean and clear. The darkness, the pigmentation look also is also reduced because of the hair. So this one really removes all the thin hair on the upper lips, not on the eyebrows where you have these little very thin hair on your eyebrows here. That is difficult to remove with this, but the upper lip, since it's quite thick hair, it's able to pick up with this. Look how clean and nice. I feel so nice when I take off all the hair from my face. I'm going to start shaving in a few days, so I'm going to let you know. I've been trying and seeing, testing a little bit here, so I'll let you know. Now you have to apply some cream, so I'm taking some cream and giving myself a little massage. If you don't apply some cream or astringent or eyes something, you're gonna get bumps like this, like these marks. So always do that. That's it. I hope you like this video. If you liked it, please subscribe. And it was a short video because somebody wanted to know and I wanted to help with this. Please subscribe if you like it. Bye bye. See you in my next